Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in New York City. I'm about to hop on the D train into Brooklyn to visit Surf Avenue in Coney Island. It's the main thoroughfare in Coney Island, a block in from the Boardwalk. It runs parallel to the Boardwalk. The first thing I do when I leave Stillwell Station, which is the subway station at Coney Island, is run across the street to Nathan's for my hot dog with cheese and ketchup and some French fries. That's how I eat my hot dogs, people. Then we're going to pass MCU Park, which is the home of the Brooklyn Cyclones, a team associated with the Major League team, the Mets. Then we'll continue along Surf Avenue and pass a lot of shops and restaurants and attractions, including the Cyclone. And then eventually, as always, what I like to do here in Coney Island is finally end up at the Freak Bar, which we're going to do here in this video, as well as the Freak Museum. It's a great place to hang out for a beer. This video is part 5 of a 5-part series on Coney Island. Parts 1 and 2 dealt with the Boardwalk, 3 and 4 dealt pretty much with the rides and amusements here in Coney Island, and this video, part 5, will deal with Surf Avenue, 1 block up from the Boardwalk. This is a New York City Vault video, which means that it was taped prior to COVID, and I added some more commentary and some music to it to make it a little bit more exciting for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. We'll get off this subway soon and head into Surf Avenue in Coney Island.
of your life. She's one of the
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.